blinked and took a picture. Now let's see if it'll do video. So I'm going to switch to video. Now I'm going to click the camera button again. Oh, it's working remotely with the video. It's working remotely with the video. Well, hey, good morning everybody and welcome back. Thanks for coming. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. Today we're going to talk a little bit about my cameras and my selfie stick, and I think you're going to enjoy the video, so stay with me. Hey, good morning again everybody. I hope the wasps don't get me. I think I got a wasp nest in the shed. I see them flying around over there. I might have to get some wasp spray out and go but anyway, today I'm going to talk a little bit about selfie sticks. I've bought many selfie sticks for my cell phone. And they're just, you know, I get the little cheap ones at Walmart or the Five Below store or somewhere like that. But I decided to order a good one off the Amazon store. And if you want any information on this, it'll be in the description below. And I'll also put a link in the description below if you want to check it out. And this is not sponsored, but I do get a little bit of money if you buy it. But I've had Amazon for a few years now. I've never really sold enough stuff to make any money. But anyway, it might help me out if you click on the link in the description if you're going to buy one. Or even if you want to go check it out, that'd be good. But anyway, I've got to where I shoot a lot of videos with my phone. Because some of the other YouTubers I watch, I come to find out they use their cell phones. They don't use cameras like that one. And a lot of other things. But I've got my action cameras, my GoPros, my Sony digital cameras and all that stuff. But like I said, when you're out, you've always got your cell phone. So I wanted a good selfie stick. So I ordered this one. I might have to put my glasses on to see what's going on here. Well, it's my glass because I had this eye fixed. I still got to get this one fixed. So anyway, this is it. It's a 3-in-1 selfie stick. It's even got a little wireless remote control to take pictures and stuff with your phone. And I left that in the house. It's on the charger. But I'm going to get it in just a minute and show you that too. But anyway, let's take it out of the box here. So this is the selfie stick. And it has a tripod. It has a tripod. How cool is that? But you got to pull this up. How cool is that? That's pretty cool. And it's not a gimbal. You know, I would like to have had a gimbal, but they're 10 times more than this. But anyway, it comes with a little charging cable. I hope you can see that. Let's see. It's just a little USB to micro USB. So you know what those are. And then this is the thing that makes it work really cool. So this piece, it folds out like this, like that, and then it screws on to here. Easy for me to say. So you've got it on there, and you can adjust it however. And then you flip this one out so you can see how those are flipped out. And you would think you just pull that out and put your phone in. No, you have to unscrew it right here. You have to unscrew that, and it'll make it wider And then you can put your phone in there. You get it out wide enough. And then you tighten it back up. And now you have your phone in there. Get it a little straighter than that, Harold. Come on. Okay, so now you've got it on there like that, and that is pretty neat. I mean, that's pretty cool. You can set it up like that and take videos, whatever. Let's turn it on here a little bit. There you go. Now you can probably see that better. That's pretty cool. You can set it there, or you can fold the legs up. Fold the legs up like that. And then this thing goes way out. Way out like that. And you turn the phone however you want it. And then you lock this nut right here. You have to turn this to tighten it up so the phone don't swivel on you. And then you've got it set up just like that. Just like that. Hey, what's going on? A pizza pie. I'm going to turn on my camera here. And flip it around here. And now, there you go. Now I'm recording. I'm recording on the phone here. So which is better? So now I've got it. This is why people use cell phones. I mean, I'm a little shaky here. Let me see if I can rest it on something. But you can see the difference between the phone and the Sony camera, which the Sony camera is not a cheap camera, and the selfie stick with my cell phone on it, which is pretty good. Pretty good. That's it. So that's that. So let me stop this from recording. Close the camera. And I'm going to put it back down here a little bit. And open the legs up and just set it here. And now I'm going to go get the remote control and we'll talk about that. See what that's all about. I've not tried it. I haven't hooked it up. Because when you get it, you have directions. There's not a whole lot of directions in the box. But you have this little directions, which is pretty good. It is real good. The directions are good. And but anyway, let's go get the little remote control and see if we can make this thing take a picture with the remote control, because I haven't tried it. But what I was going to say is, when you get it, you got to put it on the charger and charge it for 3 hours. I just left it on overnight because I knew I was going to do the video this morning. So I'm going to go get the remote and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Here's the little remote control. I'm going to have to look at the directions so you've seen it in real time. So let me see. Turn on the wireless remote switch. Blue will flash. The blue light will put out when connected successfully. So I'm sure I got to turn my phone on first. It didn't tell me that. Can you see that okay, or you need a little closer? You don't need to see me. Let's see if I can get you in a little closer. Okay, so I've got the remote. I'm going to turn the little button on the side right here. And let's see if my Bluetooth is on here. Let me just make sure. Let me see. Am I missing anything? Turn on the wireless remote switch. Blue light will flash. The blue light will put out when connected successfully. Pair device. So let's just see. It's still blinking. Oh, that's it right there. I think that's it. So let's just click that. Pairing with. Okay, so click pair. And that's connecting. It says currently connected to Young Ting. So this is a Young Ting. Young Ting. Let's see if it says anything on here like that. Young Ting. I don't see nothing. Okay, so now let's get out of this. I'm going to turn on the camera. Turn on the camera here. Now let's see if it takes a picture. Hi, it worked! Putting you back, putting the camera back. So did you see that? It blinked, it worked. Let me see if I can do it again. Hello, camera. Pushing the camera button right here. Watch it blink. Ah, it blinked, it took a picture. Now let's see if it'll do video. So I'm going to switch to video. Now I'm going to click the camera button again. Oh, it's working remotely with the video. It's working remotely with the video. So that, I want to turn this back off. I'm going to push this camera button again and it should turn that off. Look at that. Is that something or what? There's a little remote control. I'm going to turn it off now so I can save the battery. Turn my phone off. So anyway, I hope that you enjoyed the video. That's the new selfie stick that I ordered and got yesterday. And there's the stupid wasp flying around. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give me a thumbs up. And any comments or questions you can ask down below. And I'll be happy to try to answer any questions. You guys have a fantastic day. And I'll have another fantastic video for you soon. You guys hang in there now. Talk to you later. Can't believe these wasps. I gotta get out of here.